Hello everyone, I'm back with another Python lesson. Today we will learn about strings and method in Python. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's begin with strings. A string is a sequence of characters like letters or numbers. In Python, we use double quotes or single quotes to create a string. See an example. Suppose we have a string, name of variables, for example, item, equal, double quote, apple. And this line gives us a string with the content apple. I want to introduce you string method in Python. The string method allows us to perform various operations on a string. If we want to find the length of this string, we can use the len. Len is method. This function is a predefined function we can use on the string data types like this. Length, to store length of this string, equal, name of function, this time len, in parentheses, every string we want to find the length of this, we write here. This line calculates the length of the string and store it in the variable length. Now let's print this value, Ctrl S, and run this code and see the output. After running this line, we should see the value 5 because string contains 5 characters. Let me define new string. Let's look at another interesting method like upper. This method used to convert the string to uppercase. We type new text equal name of text, and we use a dot to access string method. A dot. After the text, we see all of methods for data type of text or string. You'll see more of this dot notation throughout the course. And then choose upper. Let's print this new text and run it again. The result should be in uppercase. Now suppose we want to search for the word or character in this string. We can use method strings like find. See an example. We want to search for the word in this string. So we type like this, string word. This line finds method search to find the index of the word in this string and store index of it in the variable of index. Let's print this value, run it again. This line print index of the world in the text of hello world. What is an index? Let's talk about index. In Python, each item or each character in the string has a number, and this number is called index. Indexes start from 0, not 1. So the first character in a string at index 0. The second character is at index 1 and so on. After running this line, we should see the value 6. Another useful method is replace. With it, we can replace a substring with another substring. For example, text dot to access predefined method of text, use replace method. In parentheses, we type substring of the text, new value after comma. We type old value after comma, new value, for example, everyone. Let's print this, run again, and look at the new value of the text. Hello everyone. We see the result in the screen. Now let's look at another interesting method, split. We can split a string into a list of substrings based on separator. For example, this text, we have 2 substrings. First hello, second world. We can split this text with space. A space is a separator. Let's check it. We can write words text dot split. In parentheses with this method, we can write separator. In this example, we have space. Space is separator of each word. Let's print this and see the output and run it. This line for last print. We have two words split with space. Finally, let's give you an exercise. Suppose you have a string, for example, like this. Can you replace the word programming with coding? Try it. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.